Hello, boys and girls. I hope that you are having a great day. We are going to start with social studies. I know that you guys have already learned about the continents, the oceans, a compass rose, and you have even looked at a map and have learned to read a map and the directions that things are located. So we are going to continue that and we're going to learn about actual landforms. Now, you've already watched a Brain Pop Junior on landforms, so you are able to tell me what are landforms. Basically, it is what it says it is. A landform is a form of land. There are different types. There are areas of land and can even be water as well. So at the end of this lesson, you're going to be able to identify different landforms and tell us what they are. For example, around Bardstown, where we live, or in Nelson County, we have more specific landforms that we have are rivers. Um, we have the Beach Fork and the Rolling Fork River that are in Nelson County. So, though the rivers are a type of landform, we have hills that are in Nelson County, and we also have caves in Nelson County. Now, in Kentucky, we have the longest cave system in the world, which is Mammoth Cave. So that's where it got its name for because it is so big. So landforms are caused by wind. They're also caused by rain and also people. But we'll learn about that when we talk about weathering and erosion later on in science. But today our focus is landforms. So you're going to have 2 days for this assignment. You've already watched the brain pop. Now you're going to complete a slideshow. You have 2 days to work on this. So you're going to finish it up tomorrow and turn it in. So I'm going to walk you step by step. If you already know how to do this, then you are fine. If you know how to do slides and insert pictures and insert text boxes and to type on the computer, then you can go ahead and start. But I'm going to go through a real quick tutorial on how to do a slideshow. So the first slide, when you pull it up, first of all, you're going to have your name at the top. It's going to make a copy for you. Don't change the title, which is at the top, your file's name. Don't change that. So landforms is going to be your title. If you want to make a different title, you can go ahead. Then you're going to enter your first and last name right here. So if my name is Sally Miles, I will put my name in right there. You can also, if you want, make your slide a little bit more creative or brighter with color. You can go to format, not format, you can go to slide, click on slide and go to change background, and you can add color to your slide. So I'm going to pick green, and then I'm going to click done, and so now mine's colorful. I'm going to go to the next slide. I'm going to click over here on slide number 2. And for this slide, it's just about mountains. So you're going to go over here and insert an image or a picture of a mountain. So I'm going to erase insert an image. I'm going to go to insert image and search the web. So over here, I've already typed it in before this, but you are going to type in mountains and click enter, and then all kinds of pictures of mountains pop up. So I'm going to check this one, and I have to move my screen, and I'm going to click insert. So the one you want to insert into your slide will be checked with a blue check mark. So you're going to click insert, and now my mountain picture is way big. So if you click on your picture and if you see these lines that are bordering your picture, you can make it have an arrow and you can resize it. So you're going to make it smaller by dragging in those lines. And I'm going to do the same thing for the top. So now I have a picture of a mountain. So I'm going to click over here, and now I have to insert the definition. So again, I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to erase it. And now what I want you to do is you're going to open up, you're going to go to the top of your screen, you're going to click the plus sign, and this is going to add a Google, another link to go to Google. And you can type in definition of mountain. Now to the side, it has a definition, or if you want to insert your own definition for mountain, then go ahead, because we don't want to copy directly from the website. We want to put it in our own words. So I really like this mountain over here. This is from Wikipedia, and now Wikipedia is a trusted website, so you are okay to copy that. But you can copy it. You're going to highlight what you want to take, and I'm going to take this right here because I like the definition. It says a mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding land in a limited area, usually in the form of a peak. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to press copy, and then I'm going to paste right here. Now, if you are using a Chromebook that does not have a mouse, you're going to go through the same process. You're going to highlight with your mouse, just like this. Highlight what you want to copy. You're going to push Control V and Control V again. Push it twice, and then it will copy and paste it. Okay, very important. Control V is copy. Control V again to paste it. So it's kind of small. So I'm going to go up here to increase font size, and I'm going to press this plus sign to make it bigger. And then I'm going to change it into my own words. So I'm going to say a mountain is a large landform. I could use that. Let's see. I'm going to change it a little bit to put it in my own words. Let's see. A mountain is a large landform that looks like a large peak, or is land that is large and is in the shape of a cone. Let's say that, because it's in my own words. So what I have done there on this slide is I've inserted a picture and I've added my own definition. So you guys are going to do the same thing. Now, there are more slides that you're going to have to do. You have planes all the way down. You have 16 slides all the way down to cave. So you're going to add an image or a picture on each one, and then you're going to insert the definition on the right-hand side. Okay? When you are finished, you are going to turn this in, and then remember, you have 2 days to work on it. So work on it some today, work on it some tomorrow, and then turn it in. Or you can do it all today, and you can have a free day tomorrow for social studies. But make sure that you turn this in. So again, today you should have learned what landforms are. They're forms of land or areas of land or water. And you've learned different types of landforms. You've learned what they've looked like, and you've also learned what they are. How would you describe those types of lands? If you have any questions, let us know. Bye, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.